Welcome. By the end of this video, you'll be able to record the audio that is coming from your computer speakers with the free music software Audacity. Let's get started. So you're going to want to have Audacity open. And now this is going to work with audio that you have playing on your computer. This might be audio from a video file, something like YouTube, or it might be audio from an audio file that you're playing, like an MP3 or a WAV file, or even the audio that's coming from a game that you're playing. So in order to get started, you're going to have Audacity. And if you're not familiar with Audacity, it's a free-to-use digital audio workstation. You can download it for free. I have another video on how you can download it. So in order to get started, you're going to want to have the file that you want to record ready to go, and then you're going to have Audacity open. So when I'm in Audacity, the first thing you're going to want to do is go to the input, and that is right here, the audio host. And what we're going to need to do is change that from MME, that's whenever you're trying to record from like a microphone. We're going to change that to Windows Wasabi. So once you change that, you will be able to see different options for your recording device. And again, you're going to want to make sure that you change this to whatever the output device is on your computer. So if you're listening to headphones, you're going to want to change it to the headphones. That's what I'm doing. If you don't have headphones in right now, you're going to change this to speakers. So again, change it to speakers if you do not have headphones. And if you have headphones, go ahead and put headphones. And then now you're ready to go with recording the audio on your computer. So I'm going to pull up a video file first. And once I have that up, you want to make sure that you always have the right to record whatever you are looking to record. So I've got a copyright-free music here. I'm going to go ahead and now this only works whenever the file is playing. So if I go ahead and press record, nothing will happen. And then I'm going to go to the file again, and I'm going to press play. So you can see that it was recording the entire time while it was playing. And so you can hit stop with the recording and then stop with Audacity. And so that's the file that was playing there. If I want to listen to it, I'll just go back and pick a spot and then I can listen to it. So I'm able to listen to the recording that I just recorded. And now once you are happy with what you have there, you can go ahead and export it as an MP3 or a WAV. So you just go up to File and then Export as an MP3 or a WAV file. And again, this is just recording the audio from whatever it is that you're listening to. So that is the easiest way to record from something like a video. I also want to show you one quick thing. If you're recording from either a video or let's say you're recording from an MP3. So I have an MP3 here ready to go. And it's a little softer. So I'm going to go ahead and press record again. And it's starting to record. And then now I'm going to go play. So you'll notice that the file is smaller. And that's because the audio is softer. So if I change the volume, it will make it larger. If I go smaller with the volume, or I go lower, you'll notice that the volume shrinks. So I want to point out whenever you're recording, the output volume does affect the recording. So if you have it louder, it will come out louder. And if it's softer, it will come out softer. Now, so that recorded all into one track. You can see it split it into two. So if you, real quick with Audacity, if you want to move anything around, you can click the time shift tool here, and then you can move different audio around. And then if you wanted to select anything, click the selection tool. And you can, of course, select something here in the gray, and then, go up to edit and you can copy and paste different things. There are different effects that you can apply to the audio that you're listening to. If you want to select all your audio, you just click this gray area right here. So click that entire track. And now I can take this effect, and let's say I would want to amplify this. Let's say it's not quite loud enough. I go up to amplify, and then it'll give me some settings that will help me amplify this, or you can make it softer if it's too loud. So those are just some quick settings that you can do within Audacity. One quick note, if you have a USB microphone, you might not be able to do it the exact way that I showed in this video. For this video, I actually had to have my headphone jack plugged in so that it would record correctly. You might actually need to disconnect the USB before you record so that it works properly. So you now know how to record audio from your PC or capture that audio from your PC. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. I do my best to answer those. I have other Audacity tutorials available. I'll put links to them around this video. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. I thank you, and see you in the next video.